Welcome to my CSR India news. Disney India appoints George Cherian as head of corporate communications. Disney India, the company, is a media and entertainment conglomerate. George Cherian has been named head of corporate communications and corporate social responsibility (CSR) for the Walt Disney Company India. According to a company release, Cherian will be in charge of supervising all strategic communications and CSR activities for Disney's media and entertainment distribution business in the country, which includes television networks, streaming platforms, and studios. He will report to K. Madhavan, the Walt Disney Company's and Star India's country manager and president, and will be part of the India leadership team that steers the Disney Star businesses in the country. We are at a pivotal point in our development, and we believe that communication is one of the most important factors in developing a brand's reputation. We are thrilled to have George join the Disney Star team to assist us to convey our vision, strategy, and commitment to the Indian market, as well as to other external stakeholders, says the company. In a statement, Madhavan said, Cherian has worked as a financial journalist and a communications professional for over 25 years. He supervised all brand and communications initiatives for the Deutsche Bank Group's numerous companies in India in his previous post as director and head of group communications. The combination of an industry on the verge of exponential expansion and a globally recognized brand could not have provided for a more compelling case for me to join Disney Star. In a statement, Cherian stated, I am looking forward to the challenge of expanding the Disney Star brands in India and working with some of the most outstanding experts in this business. He formerly worked for Barclays in the Asia Pacific area, where he was in charge of communications. George was a member of the founding teams of Bloomberg TV India and ET Now as a journalist, and before to that, he worked for the Economic Times. Watch more CSR India news on my CSR India.